Hi everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to a special extra edition of the Maserati Guy. In this episode we're going to be unboxing a completely maxed out MacBook Pro. So this is a little Christmas present to myself because I've been using a 13-inch MacBook Pro to edit my videos. And as you may know, the 13-inch MacBook Pros don't actually have any separate graphics cards. So when I'm doing rendering or conversion, compression, preparing videos for YouTube, it's been kind of chewing its way through them very slowly. And so I decided to splash out on a 15-inch MacBook Pro, which does have a separate graphics card and can also be upgraded quite significantly from the stock. Now I'm very excited about this because there's a little trick that you can use when you go into the Apple stores. Okay, so often they will have two versions of a computer available. So for the 15-inch version there are just two different configurations that you can purchase. One of which has got a 256 gigabyte SSD, the other one's got a 512 gigabyte SSD. But here's the little trick. If you ask one of the staff members, they will often have some build-to-order specs and configurations out the back, which not every staff member knows about. But if you ask this question, it's amazing what you can find. So I was in the Apple store in Chatswood, which is just north of Sydney this afternoon, and they had obviously the two standard configurations available on display. I found this really great guy to help me, and I said to him, do you have any build-to-order options out the back? And he said yes, and this is one of those. So it's really exciting because this is almost the perfect spec for what I need. So here we are. 15-inch MacBook Pro. And this is the really exciting bit. Okay, so the spec is on the back here. So it's 15.4-inch Retina. It is a 2.9 gigahertz 6-core Intel i9 with 12 megabytes shared level 3 cache. This is the first one, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 32. A 1 terabyte PCIe based SSD. And the third extra bonus is the fact that it has a Radeon Vega 20 with 4 gigabytes of HBM2 memory, whatever that is. So those are the three upgrades from the standard. I think the standard one you can get is 16 gig of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and I think it's the Radeon 560, which comes with the standard configuration. So this is brilliant because 32 gigabytes is perfect. The more RAM you've got for running multiple applications, the 1 terabyte SSD is perfect for me because I've been in dongle hell for the last 2 years running external SSDs for my photos and my video. So I will now be able to keep all my photos and my video on here without having any of that dongle nonsense. And the separate graphics processor, which will be fantastic for all the 4K video and stuff that I'm doing at the moment, and rendering and processing. So hopefully this will really speed up my workflow, which actually makes quite a difference because sometimes you can leave a video and it'll take half an hour or more to render. So this is great. Let's get into it. It's the best bit about opening a new Mac is taking the plastic off. There we go. Right, let's have a look. Take the lid off. Oh, love that air sealed look. Here it is. Oh, beautiful. Nice. In the box, obviously, we've got the USB-C cable, and then we've got presumably the charger in here. Nice big brick of a charger. Oof. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, yay. Starts up by themselves now with these new Macs. They just start up when you open the lid. So it's the next day and all the configuration is now done. So the next step is just to basically try and edit some video and see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to be a lot quicker than the 13-inch MacBook Pro, which obviously doesn't have a dedicated discrete graphics processor, which obviously will affect its performance in things like Final Cut Pro. So I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing of the MacBook Pro 15-inch. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give the like a click, subscribe and smash that notification bell. That would be great. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Maserati Guy 2017, and have a very happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video.